Okay, so we just went out in the ocean and it was way too rough, so we had to turn back. We're gonna try something different now. I think we're gonna go do Inshore. We're gonna try to make our way up to Tubbs Inlet. Fish a little live bait if we can get it. So yeah, see y'all out there. All right, Holt's getting some bait right now. Well, hopefully. What a throw. Please tell me there's shrimp in there. Oh yeah, baby. All day long. All right, bait mission complete. Off to Tubbs Inlet now. Let's go.
Oh, we got some. Oh,
hey, what do you know? All right, let's get out of here.
Wow, look at the car, how fast it's moving.
Up there. Do you have one? Oh! What did it just break you off? Good fish. It's not fighting like a flounder, is it? That's a giant trout, dude. Bring him in. Bring him in. Dude, let's go. You want me to get a picture? Yeah. There's Holt's trout. That is insane. Is the hook out of him, Holt?
Yeah.
What was it on the Carolina? Oh, that's one to release him. Dude, heck of a job, dude. That was sick. You on net?
Yeah.
Alright, 2 fits of the inshore slam is complete. Heads up. Don't sling me in the face with a hook. Yeah, that was kind of cool. Something hit it twice. Yeah.
Right there.
No. My drag's pretty loose.
Got it, baby. That next one dropped further.
Nice. And well, let me flip this upside down for y'all. There's a flounder. Oh my gosh. Got one, Holt?
Yeah.
You want the net?
Yeah.
Holt?
Yeah.
No? Yep. This is nuts. Pop, I don't know what you're doing wrong. Where's your line? There's one. Apparently. He's really heavy, it feels like. Oh my gosh. This one's huge. Stop. Oh, get in the net, please. That was a good one, dude. Is that the biggest one yet?
Check if it's 25 inches. No.
It's like 19 or 20.
Maybe.
Flounder boys can hold. Want to go? That's a big one. That's probably my biggest flounder to date. I'm really surprised this hasn't gotten hit yet, to be honest. You got one? I got one. Double Holt. I think I can flip mine. Mine feels bigger every time I pull on it. Heads up, Pop. Heads up. Just did. This is nuts, action. The double release. Let's go. This is unreal.
You know that?
I mean, this place is gonna get ripped apart when they open flounder. I'm waiting for you to get one. I'm pretty worried about you because you, me and Ho have caught like 10 combined and you've caught 0 somehow. Lift your rod tip, you should have gotten something by now. Lift it. Reel on your line. You might even have one. You got him? Did he hit on the way up?
Oh.
Where, what was it? Yeah, what a turnaround from this morning. Alright, Pop finally got one. Or he's on something.
Watch it be a lizard fish.
Don't jinx it.
Pinfish.
It's something shaky. That's a little. No, you're under the boat a little bit.
You got him?
No, pull him up. That's a whole. There's a leader right there. There we go. Pop finally got one. All right. There he goes. Let's go get bait, and then reload and kill some more fish. I'm being left behind. We're at the same general spot, a little bit higher up. We're gonna probably drop down to where they are in a little bit later, maybe. But for now we're here. We got some more mullet, like probably 100. When you say Holt?
That's it. I'll get the net.
I got it, Holt.
No.
I got it. Did he pop off?
Yes.
What would you have on mullet?
Shrimp.
Really? All right, Bill's got one. Here it comes.
See him? No. Get a picture of it.
That's what's too late now. Flounder, Holt? I don't think he's that big. What the frick is that? That's what I caught the other day. I don't know what that is, but... Alright guys, well that's going to wrap it up for this video. Pretty great day actually. Kind of slowed down towards the end, but we had a good day today. Thank you all for watching. We'll catch you next time on Inlet Fishing.